This is a quick video to show you how I prep my hair for Marley twist. I'm also showing you what I use. I use this two type of hair. That's all I had in my cabinet. It's 1B. I only use 2 pack. Right now it's around 12 midnight, close to that. My hair is very brittle and dry. So I'm just gonna show you what I use and the process I use to moisturize my hair before I install the Marley twist. So now I'm gonna start with one corner. First, I grease my scalp. I put some and then I rub it in my scalp. This is the product that I use. I don't use that all the time. I use different type of grease, and I will sprinkle some water on my strands. And after that, use a conditioner. I also use different type of conditioners. And lastly, to seal the moisture, I'm going to use this none other but Blue Magic. I also add some oil in it. So it's important to moisturize the hair. I use the LCO method, liquid, conditioner, and oil. And this is the end result of the moisturizing hair. It looks very very shiny and soft, really nice. It's really important to keep the hair very moisturized while it's on a protective style. So it's a quick protective style that I will be doing. I didn't record the process, but there are plenty of videos out there on how to do Marley twist. Now I had my niece over. She was really nice enough to help me part the back of my hair. One less thing I had to do, and she was very helpful. She spent the week with 2 weeks with us. Thank you, girl. Love ya. Now, are you ready for the final product? Here you go. What do you think? I think I did a really great job. I really like it. It's gonna be very convenient for my mini vacation because it's gonna be snowy, really, really cold. So I won't have to worry about doing my hair. It will be just get up and go. Love it. So now what I want you to do, tell me, what have you done this style before? Have you been successful? How long did it take you? Leave a comment. Leave any questions you have. Let me know. I'll be glad to answer them as much as I can. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. And also share the video to someone who might benefit from it. I have plenty more videos to come about hair, lifestyle, everything else. Check out my other video on how I refresh those twists to last another 2 weeks. Okay, bye.